Noordin Haji uria urari mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi riu niwe murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa ugaceru o ni thutha wake kwihitithio kiroko kia umuthi thingira-ini wa Iregi ni President William Ruto. Akere hindi ya mihang'o ino thingira-ini wa Iregi, President Ruto ni agathiriirie Haji ni wira mwega ararutire hindi ararutaga wira ta mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi.
Mr. Noordin Haji, congratulations on your appointment. As I have told you, you have my support and I look forward to working with you as you serve the people of Kenya.
Ruto ni uritie Haji ndagekuruhanie na uteti wira-ini wake akiuga ari na mwihoko munene nake.
To take over the reign as the Director General of NIS, we recognize that it's an institution that has been built over time. It is my hope that you will make your contribution to making that institution better, more professional, more responsive to serve the country better.
Neguo bururi gukinya gikiro kia iguru, President Ruto ni uritie honge cia thirikari kuruta wira hamwe na gwitikira kwima neguo matungatire muingi.
I call upon all arms of government and all sectors and all agencies to work together for the better governance of the country. We must depersonalize, depoliticize our decisions so that they are better tuned to making sure that it is in the best interest of the country when we act.
Akiugira horo uria urari munene wa ugaceru Major General Philip Gaceru, Ruto oigite bururi uguthi na mbere na kumutia kumana na wira mwega ararutagira ruhonge ruru.
Congratulations for serving the country in a very outstanding manner in a difficult time, in a very complicated geopolitical arena with terrorism and many of the other things that come. So as you take leave, you have our goodwill and prayers.
Riu munini wa Haji wa afisini ya thitango cia muingi Dorcas Odor niwe ukunyitirira giturwa kiu riri mihang'o ya gwetha munene wa thitango cia muingi irathie na mbere.
I know you have left a big office at the Director of Public Prosecution, where you provided again exemplary service. The lady who prayed for us here has been your deputy there. I am sure she will step in meanwhile as the processes are being handled.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jeta Gitau wa Wanjikũ.